Yo, what's up, YouTube? We're back again with another POV drive. Finna get y'all a good, decent POV drive. I appreciate y'all for the last video. I ain't gonna lie, we got a good amount of views and likes and stuff, so I appreciate everybody for watching and everything. I'm not gonna lie, my bad, guys, that the biggest complaint was that y'all couldn't see. I know it was like hella nighttime out. I was trying to beat the nighttime, but I ain't gonna lie, I had stuff to do, so I couldn't beat the nighttime. And then I wanted to upload a video, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna just upload a video, whatever. So I just needed something to record and upload in. But a lot of people liked it though, so I'm glad at least. But yeah, I'm getting some right now in the daytime. I just got off work and then I grabbed some food and I just figured I'm gonna just record real quick while on the drive home. So it might not be that crazy long of a video, but man, hopefully y'all can enjoy and stuff. I don't got my back seats down, so hopefully y'all can hear the car good enough at least and stuff, without too much crazy wind. But yeah, man, let's get on this POV drive. Hopefully it ain't too crazy traffic, because it is like 6 p.m. right now, so I know it's about to be a lot of cars out and stuff. But I haven't really felt that good today, but I'm trying to get myself to get up and work and focus and lock in and do these POV drives, because my videos have been doing good lately, and that's all I've wanted. You know, my YouTube is doing good right now, so I've always wanted that. So I'm trying my best to stay focused and like stay motivated and locked in and keep uploading for y'all and stuff. And this guy just starts doing a burnout. What the fuck? Yo. I'm weak. What the heck? I just picked up the camera, bro. I guess he see my car and that made him do that. But dang, this is packed, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, we got it. I gotta put this window down a little bit, up a little bit, because it is crazy wind right now. Damn. Let me know. I ain't gonna lie, I've been thinking about doing this as a video, but let me know if y'all would like a video where it's just no burbles at all, just pure exhaust sound, literally just exhaust and like the turbo. I'll try to get maybe plug the mic in so y'all can hear the turbo good, so it's not just the exhaust, because it's harder to hear the turbo on camera. But yeah, so y'all let me know if y'all would like a video like that. I just turn off like traction fully off, and then my burbles are off, because that's what I kind of have it set to right now. But shoot, I'll give y'all a little bit of POV right now. I'll turn off the burbles right now and y'all can see what y'all think about it and stuff. I low-key like it, I'm not gonna lie. My biggest thing is that I just don't like having no burbles without like an upgraded turbo, or like the what is it called, the TR51 mod. So that once I get a turbo, upgraded turbo, and the TR51 mod, I'm 100% gonna be driving a lot without burbles. Because right now I just like having the burbles, because I like driving and I like hearing a little something like after I let off the gas, you know. So that's my only reason why I really use the burbles right now. But I try not to use them extremely excessive, like too much. Like I have them turned up, I think at like 1.2 seconds right now, or 1.3, something like that. So I used to have them like at max at 2.5, but it's too crazy, and I ain't really even trying to do all that anymore. Nah, it does low-key sound. It low-key sounds so clean without burbles. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, it actually sounds good, bro. Like, I can't even imagine what it would sound like with upgraded turbo and stuff. Like, it's gonna sound so good. I want to get a turbo next so bad, for sure. But right now I'm completing like some cosmetic mods before I do any more like upgraded speed mods or anything like that. Because I want to get the outside of the car and everything looking nice, you know. So I wish I went first with cosmetic mods, I'm not gonna lie, but it was too hard not to, because I just love enjoying the car and stuff. So yeah, that made it hard to not go for any cosmetic mods. I mean, to not go for any like performance mods. So I'm not gonna lie, the first day I bought this car, I bought it instantly off the lot. I got a downpipe instantly. And I just wanted already some, like, you know, the car had a downpipe on it, but it had like a muffled, I mean, it had like a catted downpipe, so it was a high performance one. So it was nice. I mean, I could hear the car already, but I just wanted to hear the car even more, you know, and I wanted a tiny bit of burbles. And then I think like a week after, I went instantly and I don't think I fully got the exhaust straight pipe. I think I did like a muffler delete first to see how it would sound like, because I wanted to really test out the car and see how everything would sound, because I didn't want to just go full straight pipe and I didn't know how the car was gonna sound, even though everybody says it sounds great. So, but right now I'm rocking with the straight pipe and catless downpipe. So I'm rocking with a straight pipe and catless downpipe right now. And I want to go in the future, I want to get a Valtronic catback exhaust, and then I want to get a mid, I think it was called a mid pipe. There's one mid pipe that I seen, the same exact exhaust setup that Webby runs. I think that's his name, Webby. He had a 340. I don't know if he still has it. I think he does, but yeah, his was upgraded turbo and everything, and it sounded so nice. Like, so I definitely want something like that. Let me let this car go in front. But yeah, that's exactly the type of exhaust and build that I'm trying to go for, because that sounded so clean. Oh, is this a police or am I bugging? Oh, please tell me there's not a police. Oh, I think it's a service aid, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, it's a service aid. I can't see from a distance, so my eyes are so bad, but I don't even know what service aids do for real. But I don't know. I don't even be trying to risk none if I see one. I don't be trying to do nothing dumb or risk anything at all, cause I'm not finna get pulled over nothing stupid for something dumb. But yeah, there you go. Alright, let me put it back in sport mode right now to get a couple more drives with the pops. Let's see if that Charger wants to play or do something. I don't know, he's coming off that light, but I mean, he probably ain't gonna catch me, because I ain't gonna lie, I'm trying to do speeding already and stuff. I mean, I'm trying to get some good content for y'all and stuff. Please get out my way, bro. hopefully the wind is not too crazy. That's my biggest concern right now, because I usually have my back seats down so you guys can hear the exhaust even more. But right now I have some stuff in the back, so I can't kind of do that right now. But hopefully it still sounds good. So I'm trying to see for real. Ooh-lee. That bit get the jerking. I ain't gonna lie, these shoes, I can't really drive with these shoes. These are my work shoes, so I be accidentally jerking the damn gas pedal on accident. So that's probably why you guys heard that do that. But man, let me know any type of videos y'all want to see or anything. I'm thinking of doing like a video of like, I don't know, I've been seeing some videos, maybe like some like what it's like owning a 340, or how I own my 340, how I afford my 340 or whatever. There's a lot of people that want to get into this car and into cars like this, or this car as in general, and you know, some people just need some help. But so yeah, y'all let me know anything. I mean, I'm not the richest person in the world, you know. It's not hard to own one of these cars. It's really not at all, you know what I'm saying? But it definitely is a process, and you know, it takes like a lot of hard work and discipline. And I bought this car just off the simple fact that I wanted to make myself work harder for things, because I knew I was gonna have to pay an expensive bill every month. So I just wanted to work harder towards making more money and everything. And I've definitely been slacking off on that, and I be getting too comfortable, I'm not gonna lie. And I hate when I get too comfortable in certain situations, because then I start slacking and not doing the absolute best in a lot of things. So I need to get out of that again, and I need to like really lock in and just put everything aside and just grind. If you guys have a 340i or a B58 anything, I truly recommend get that XHP transmission tune, bro. I'm on stage 3 transmission tune, and them shifts, them brap shifts just sound so good. Like, I can't even lie, like those sound so good. Like, I love the shifts. It's one of my favorite things out of one of like the whole car. Like, I love driving just to hear the shifts, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna try to see if I can get another shift, another thingy. Like, you gotta know how to do it. I mean, it's really easy to do it, to be honest. I think I could go left here and not go home, I think. Let me see. I don't really know this road for real, and I don't know any of this. I ain't gonna lie, I don't think I can go this way. You know what? About to say fucking in reverse in the middle of the street right here. Actually, I could just go like this and then come back. Hey. See, when you got a BMW, bro, you can really do anything on the road. Nah, let me stop. stop, because some of y'all people be taking me serious, and I just be joking, you know what I'm saying? I just be saying little jokes every here and then, but yeah, man, y'all let me know any type of content y'all want to see, anything at all. Like, I'll do it. You know, I'm trying to grow my channel more and more, and I'm trying to do a lot better. I'm trying to everything. So yeah, trying to do the best that I can to make the best content and just grow my channel even more, because I'm trying to get monetized, man, and we ain't too far off getting monetized, I'm not gonna lie. So I just gotta keep staying consistent and keep working and stuff, you know. But yeah, let me get a little shift wrap noise for y'all right here in a second. I could do it right here off this. Basically, I don't know, the way you kind of do it is you kind of not pretend like you're driving a manual, but you kind of just do a pull, kind of do hard, like high RPMs, and just shift and slightly let go of the gas, and it goes crazy. I'm not gonna lie. So let me try to see it right here. So that's like the easiest way to tell it. But yeah, it's more, I think that second to third, when I'm not on like doing a crazy pull, it sounds so good. I'm gonna try to do it when I'm right here in like the neighborhood kind of ish. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get it right now for y'all. Let's see if I can get it. Right there, oh my gosh, I don't know, it might be a, you know, a favorite thing, I mean you know, my little thing, little opinion thing, but yeah, it sounds amazing to me. All right, oh no, why are we walking so slow? But car doesn't want to pop, bro. There you go. Yeah, that shit sounds so crazy right there, I ain't gonna lie. Let me save the pops for right here for the crib. Oh. Yeah, they out there screaming and shit. Alright, but that's gonna wrap it up for the video, man. I'm gonna see y'all later. And y'all, thank you for all the support and everything. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.